Breaking news. Mumbai police. The Mumbai police now says that Riya Chakravarti was called by the police for a statement, and that, they say, explains those calls made between Riya Chakravarti and Deputy Commissioner of Police Trimukhe of the Bandra police station. She was called by the police for a statement twice, once at the Bandra police station and then at the Santa Cruz police station with summons, says the Mumbai police. After taking a statement for verification once, she was called to the Bandra police station. So SMS was with regard to that, says the Mumbai police. Sahil Joshi live with us from Mumbai. Sahil, Mumbai police coming out to add, detail and explain what those conversations between Riya Chakravarti and DCP Trimukhe were actually all about.
Absolutely, because if you just look at the details, the calls were made exactly at the time when she was called for questioning at the Bandra police station, then at the Santa Cruz police station, because at Bandra police station there used to be always media standing outside. So even Mahesh Bhatt was called at Santa Cruz police station. Then other people were also called at various police stations so that to avoid media glare at that time. So Riya Chakravarti was called twice for the specifically for the interrogation and the statement. Proper summons was issued for that, and only to coordinate with respect to that the calls were made, because and after that, once you take the statement, to take the signed statement you need to take the verification. That is what the DCP does. So for the verification she was called at the BKC police station. For that the SMS was sent that he is waiting for Riya to reach BKC police station, and that is the SMS is about. Basically the whole narrative which is being built, that DCP called Riya Chakravarti in last 1 year. Now the dates have come forward, and these are the exact dates when Riya Chakravarti was called in for questioning, called in for interrogation, and duly her statement was taken. So this is what we want to put the story which has come forward through some sources, that how many calls were made to Riya Chakravarti and how many calls Riya Chakravarti made to the DCP. To put it in perspective, this is what the clarification is about, and that is the routine process. Whenever you are called for, summoned for something, then obviously to to coordinate further that what time you will be reaching, when you will be reaching, and the calls durations are also exactly of 28 seconds and so on. So basically what the police sources are giving the clarification is about that, not to make much ado about it or to look at it from some other perspective, but the calls were made completely for the professional reasons, and also for calling her for the statement, to coordinate for the statement, and then the SMS was sent, the date for verification, basically about that. She was asked to email also, for that also the SMS was sent. So basically this whole clarification has been given to put things in the perspective, Shiv.
Okay, Sahil, thank you very much for that. Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend, Riya Chakravarti's call records, a certain level of allegation being spread on that. The Mumbai police coming out and saying that these were routine coordination calls for Riya's statement as part of the investigation into her boyfriend's death.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.